With every platform or software product, it's always best to have some type of support system in place. Blink 360 has this on the top right hand corner or in the bottom right hand corner. This telephone receiver here, once clicked, will open up this iframe and will give you our direct contact telephone number to the support team. You also have an option to start a live chat. So once clicked, we'll open up the live chat box there in the bottom right. And here you just pop in your full name and email address and start the chat. That will chat directly with our support team. For instance, if you just want to create a support ticket, you just click on create support ticket, then you'll be redirected to the support function here. Now, as this is our own product, we are happy to provide support if you have any issues with card terminals, if you're with any payment gateway, if there's any specific account administration, or any specific general query that you have. All you need to do is just pop in your message in here and raise a ticket. What will happen, it will create a reference number, and then just below here, you'll be able to see your support history. So once clicked, you'll be able to see the status and also see which member of staff is actually dealing with it. If you needed to go back for any reason, you can use that either the reference or say, I spoke with this support member, and the team will be happy to help you in that regard. As this gets updated, you'll be able to see the status. If it's pending, if it's new, if it's closed, and it will give you a subject of the case, so you'll know exactly which case you have raised.